Hello guys, welcome to the second episode of Odvečný. Thank you, Luke. So the chapter that chose me today is called Redundant Too Much. And I came up with one word, which is distribution, and I'm going to play with that. Thank you. For the next person, I choose Georgia, and I only say upside down.